how to create Instagram post automatically with Canva AI. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to create Instagram posts without spending hours designing, I've got a super easy trick using Canva AI tools. So here in just few clicks, you will have a professional looking post ready to go. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your preferred web browser and head over to canva.com. Now here make sure that you are logged into your account. And here once you see the interface like this, you'll see different options. From here at the top you can see the option labeled as Canva AI. So simply click on that option. And once you click on that option, a text box will appear with multiple options within it. Now, from that option, you can see the option labeled as designed for me. So simply click on that. Once you click on that, different options will pop up. From that option, simply click on the social media. Once you click on social media, beside the social media option, you can see the option labeled as format. So simply click on that. And once you click on that, a drop down menu will appear. From that menu, simply click on the Instagram post. And once you have selected it, you can simply type in your idea, like create a post with a stat about the adventure and the nature. And now, if you want, you can even upload an image and let the Canva design around it. And once you are done with that, you can simply enter your prompt. And after that, you just have to wait for some time for Canva to do your job. And after that, Canva will provide you the multiple posts. Now here you can scroll through the option and pick your favorite and click to edit. You can tweak everything, change the code, adjust color, switch fonts, or add your logo if you have one. Or if you want more detailing in it, you can simply click on the option labeled as Use Canva Editor, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. Here you can add more detail to the post. And once everything looks good, you can simply click share, or you can either download the post and share the post on Instagram manually. And that's it. That's how easy it is to create Instagram content using Canva AI. Whether you are a small business content creator or just want a pretty feed, this tool saves times and look amazing. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.